Hi everyone, thanks for joining. Today I'm going to show you a quick project you can do in about 3 hours. I did this one yesterday, no, 2 days ago, and it was really simple. I got up early in the morning before it was super hot, got everything done, and I was finished by the afternoon, which was perfect. And now I really am enjoying the results. What I did was in my front yard, I have one tree that's right in the middle of my grass. It's pretty, but it's a little bit boring. So I went ahead and added three things: rocks to make like a framework around the tree, mulch to keep the soil moist, and flowers for the flower bed. And I bought coleus because on my front porch I have coleus as well, so it really complements each other. And then I have the rocks because on the side of my house where I have the hell strip, I have rocks there, so it just all works together well. This videotape today I did a bit different than the others before. This one I've used pictures with kind of sentences explaining, and then it just shows a step-by-step process instead of cutting and editing and showing little clips. So we'll test it out and see. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!